Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can summarize any single book using ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT, guys, and I'm going to be using Elon Musk's The Life book, and then we're going to go to ChatGPT. After you go there, you're going to click on here, you're going to click on try ChatGPT, and then you're going to say, summarize me Elon Musk's Life book. After you click on that, it's gonna automatically translate everything that it knows. It's using the AI technology. I don't know who it's owned by. However, this is like the best invention. You don't need to read the book. You can just read the summary and see if you like it or not. So before you buy a book, you can just ask ChatGPT, and then it will automatically summarize it for you, which is very nice. And then you can start to decide whether you're gonna take that book or not. And let's try summarize me a book. Oh, summarize me Vinny the Pulley. So it automatically like makes a report for me and shows me and includes like tells me the details of the book, which is very nice. It actually like tells me like great stuff about the book. The stories focus on the simple pleasures in life, such as friendship and spending time in nature. So before I buy a book, I don't need to ask my friends. I can just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to summarize it, and based on the description that it has, I can buy it or not buy it, which is so nice. And basically, this was it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will answer them. Thank you all so much. Goodbye.